Okay, super easy. You need to go to a browser to get your park reservations because the app will not have them. So I have an iPhone, so it's Safari for me. And then you go to your Disney account, so disneyworld.disney.go.com. And you will need to log in. So if you go to the 3 lines up top, you'll see My Disney Experience. Click on My Plans. And it will ask you to log in. Of course, mine is already saved. And now it will come to the screen. Under Plans, to where you can see View Availability. And it's right above where your resort reservation would be. Okay, that's the first thing as well. You need to make sure that your resort and ticket reservation is in your My Disney Experience. If it's not, you need to add that first, or the system won't let you get park reservations. So we're going to view availability, and it's going to ask you to create your party, so who's going, and then continue, and then you put your date in. So we'll put next Tuesday and say we want to go to Magic Kingdom. We just click the park. This is just like when we did Fast Passes. So instead of with Fast Passes, you'd see all the available rides with the times. Now there's just one button that you push. Magic Kingdom is 9 to 7. Animal Kingdom is 8 to 6. Epcot is 11 to 9. And Hollywood Studios is 10 to 8. So then you just make sure that this is good, verify the park, verify the date, verify who's going with you, and then you have to check that button right there for you agree to their COVID-19 liability waiver. You click confirm, and it is that simple. Now you have a park reservation to go along with your park ticket. You can click View My Plans to be sure that it did go through. And you can just scroll up and you'll see that yes, indeed, it did go through, that August the 4th will be at Magic Kingdom Park. So it's very simple to do. And if you need to go in and change it for any reason, then you would just click it. Oh, wait, I gotta go down to the Park Pass. Here we go. So you just go to the Park Pass and where it says View Details. And then if you need to cancel it because you need to pick another park, or if you're going to pick another day, there is no modifying like Fast Passes. You have to cancel it. So you just click Cancel This Park, select all, and then continue, and you will see that it will completely go away. So it won't be there anymore. You need to make sure. And then so I'll scroll up, and Tuesday, there's nothing there. Then you just repeat to do all your days. And at the bottom, it will even ask you if you want to make another park reservation. And that's it. Super simple. You have to have these in your My Disney Experience account in order to get into the park. So you have to have a ticket, and you have to have a park reservation. Let me know how else I can help you.